So recording is started
Hmm.
now. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Reflections with Darshna, the chat show. And as you know, we meet every weekend and bringing you lovely, lovely guests. Today we have a wonderful guest. Her name is Preeti Pooja. She is the co-founder of Prime Communications, and which is based in New Delhi. She is also the co-editor of not one but four magazines. She's also a journalist. She has even visited London and inaugurated her coffee table book. And, like me and like all of you, she's a campaigner of plastic free society, and she does a lot of other things. So I'm very, very privileged to have her on my show, and we will talk more about her. So stay tuned, and lots of information coming in here, because that's the reason Preeti is here with us. So, Preeti, welcome to my show. How are you doing today?
All well, all good. Thank you so much. I'm so delighted. And thank you so much for inviting me at your prestigious show, Reflection by Darshana. I'm really excited and looking forward to it.
So, Preeti, tell me, how did your journey begin? Because Prime Media Communication, you are the co-founder, and I believe it's been running for quite a few years. So, how
Yes.
did the idea generate,
Yes.
and how is it going? Tell us more about it.
See, it all began since my childhood only. When I used to see my father, he used to write a lot. He keeps on writing these days as well. He used to write for a lot of big publications like Telegraph, Hindustan Times, Times of India. So somewhere down the line, it was there in my mind that, what he does, let me also see this, opt for this. And gradually, when I was there in school, then college, participated in a lot of cultural activities, social activities, as as it started coming on my way. Then my father wanted me to become a doctor, but eventually it didn't happen. And I got a chance along with my few friends. I got a chance to apply at the Jamia Millia Islamia, the university, which is known for the journalism here in Delhi. So that's how I gave the entrance there, and I got the chance and got the admission at the prestigious university, which is Jamia Millia Islamia. I did my journalism from there, from MCRC Jamia, from where Shah Rukh Khan has done his journalism. So Shah Rukh Khan has also done the same course. He was in the film production, and I did my journalism from there. So it's Jamia
Wow,
Millia. Yeah,
amazing.
yes. So Jamia Millia is basically known for that also. That Shah Rukh is passed out from that university. So yeah, so that's how it all happened. And then I got my campus selection in Sahara Times, and then from there, then there is no looking forward. I worked with Indian Express, Amar Ujala, Jansatta for for quite a few years within NDTV as well. And then Stardust magazine. We all know about the Stardust magazine. So no,
हाँ हाँ, स्टारडस्ट
Stardust.
मैगजीन तो सबसे फेवरेट होता था
Absolutely,
इंडिया का
absolutely.
मैगजीन.
Yes. So I was like the fortunate one with them for good 10 years. And now, after all the, journey, I started my own organization by the name of Prime Communication Media. This is also 12 years old now. And in
Wow,
that,
12
yes,
years is huge.
huge. And by God grace, and now we are running 4 publications, as you are aware of it. You're all same. And so we keep on doing a lot of projects, social projects, commercial projects, philanthropy projects, lot of work we do. And right now, the added feather in our organization is the Indo-British Forum, where We have
So tell
started
me about
working.
this Indo-British Forum. Ladies and gentlemen, you would like to share this video if you're watching. That would be great if you share this video. And also, we are discussing something very important about Indo-British Forum. Like you, I'm also interested to know more about this. And guys, Preeti is here with us, so don't miss this opportunity to share this video. And that's what this is about. So Preeti, over back to you again. What is this Indo-British thing that you are talking about?
See, Indo-British Forum is the forum for the promotion, for the cross countries promotion, basically related to the social, cultural, and your business. So Indians, we have many, associates of the magazine who actually usually tells me that, Preeti, we need our promotion, our branding in UK as well, in the Asian market. Like it's a kind of the cross country promotion. If some fashion designer, some jewelry designer, any lifestyle people, if they are looking for the market in the Asian community in UK, we are there to help them out through this forum, right? Same alike the Asian community who are residing globally, if they are looking forward to venture in the Indian market, socially, globally, commercially, culturally, we are there to help them out, right? If somebody is very good in Madhubani painting, for example, here in India, they are looking for the market there in the amongst the Asian community in UK, from where they should get, with whom they should get in touch with, from where they will get the contact, right? We are acting as the bridge between both the countries to do their businesses offline, online, through exhibitions, through advertisements, through chat shows like Reflection by Darshana. We can take them on board with you, right? So that they can talk about themselves, about their product, about their life journey, about their future plans. By that time, see that we are going through a very unprecedented time right now because of the COVID, corona, and a lot of variants are also coming up. So digital, the platform we have to use to give them a market. So that's what the Indo-British Forum is all about.
So how wonderful is this? You have a business, and it's like Preeti is your support in India. So it's you're not alone. And I know Preeti personally, so I can guarantee you that she will, she's such a good friend and always very supportive. And what
Thank
is
you
the
so
best
much.
thing about Preeti? She is not the one to postpone anything. She's like, okay, this is it, let's go for this. That's what I learned from Preeti. She will never wait for anything. So guys, if you have your business and you want to, big dreams, everyone has big dreams, and want to promote your business in India, and vice versa. If you
Thanks so
have your
much.
business in India and you want to promote in UK, vice versa, Preeti is the bridge, and she will guide you through it. She will come up with good ideas how to scale your business up. Am I correct, Preeti?
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Because
There are various
all we
mediums.
want is everybody of us want to progress, and everybody of us want to scale our business high. And here you have a friend in Preeti, who is, of course, this is a business and she will be the bridge, but having that support in India, I mean, for me it gives me lot of relaxation and peace of mind that I have someone in India who will take care of the things. So Preeti, this is what it is about, scaling the business higher. Am I correct?
Scaling the business higher, taking up to the next level. Everybody doing the best in their life journey. Everybody looking for the new market. That's what I have gathered. Every day I am getting about 50 to 100 queries. People say, Preeti, we are looking for a new market. Right? Not let me tell you, Darshana, this is not the case only here in Delhi. This is the query I am getting from Asians who are residing in UK as well. They are looking for new market. And touchwood, we have a bigger scale here where I can give them a promotion. As I said, with you, we are doing live chat shows. Acharya ji was there the other day. The Acharya ji was there with you. We have few fashion designers in the pipeline who are very much excited to be there on board with you, with, talking about their brand, about their product. They want to do the kind of the branding. Same. Here we have a lot of channels and the medium through Indian British Forum, where we can take agents from there, from the global platform, and we give them an opportunity to flaunt their brand, to do the business, to scale up their business in the Indian market, particularly in the lifestyle sector. Particularly, let me mention the fashion, makeup and the beauty, the cosmetic brand, the beauty brand, the fabric brand, the accessories brand, interiors market. If they are looking forward to have their business, take up their business to the next level, we are there to help them out. So this is the new thing which we have introduced as by the name of Indo-British Forum. Right. And wonderful. And with that only, you are also aware that we have our calendar with the same concept. So
with that, I wanted to just say, Preeti talked about flaunting. So we all love our photographs, and that's why on the mobile, if you check anybody's mobile, there are more and more selfies. But how would you like if you have your picture on a calendar, you have your picture on a magazine, and on the other side of the table calendar, you have the entire your profile and your what you do. Would you not like that? And that's what Preeti is going to talk about. I mean, I'm equally excited, and I have already told Preeti that I'm going to be on one of the months of the calendar, because there are only 12 months, guys. So if you're interested in that, do contact me or Preeti. But Preeti, tell us a bit more about your calendar and your photo shoot, and how will it be beneficial?
Let me show you one of the examples from UK. This entrepreneur is Rashmi Rai. Rashmi Rai is from Scotland. And she works for one of the companies there. And she's a corporate lady. We have taken her in the month of November, this month only. You can see her picture. Is it clear? Is it clear, Darshana? So you can see her, you can see her on the, for the month of November. And on the back of it, who is she? What does she do? How, she runs her own company by the name of Alvirago. And how does she wants to promote her business, her future plans, her brands? It's all written at the backside. So as Darshana ji said, rightly, correctly, that, we have 12 months, and we are looking for a 12 personality. Not only the women we are looking for, the women entrepreneurs, but we have the male and the couple as well. So we are getting a lot of queries from UK, from the couples as well. They want to be there on the calendar. So this is not just for the women entrepreneurs, but for the male entrepreneurs as well, where we are taking them on the calendar, plus we are giving them a one-page profile in the magazine as well. So, it will talk about their luxury, their, future projects, their picture. I mean, first of all, what we do, we like to see our picture at the very first place. Am I right? Everybody. So be it a star, be it a fashion designer, be it a corporate people. They see Gulshan Grover is also on the one of the months. So as you can see that. So depending, it is open for the people at large. People at large, all the 12, 13 people will be there on the cover page of the calendar by the name of Enterprising Entrepreneurs. The same profile will be there in the magazine as well, in the Beauty and the Best. So this is the medium, this is the mode, and this will be distributed at various places, at the various industries here in India. It will go to all the massive number of people in the lifestyle industry. So this is again one of the mode to connect uh, people from here to there and from there to here. This is the better way,
So
better
imagine,
medium.
imagine your profile will be there, your website, your contact details will be there,
Everything.
and this calendar, as Preeti ji said, will be distributed in masses. Of course, you're gonna get
Yeah, copy
your
as well.
share of calendars as well. So
Get me the
imagine what a
magazine copy.
beautiful idea this is,
Beauty and the
that
Best.
your website is there, your contact details are there, and hey, everybody has a table calendar, and if they look at it, that's the way they'll connect with you. So what a beautiful idea this is. So Preeti, tell me, you are running 4 magazines. So what are the names of the magazines, and in which magazine these pictures will be there, the calendar and the magazine? Tell
This
me
is
more about the
this is
magazines.
yeah, this is for the January edition, the New Year edition. That is why we have come on board with you, because this is the right time, right period of this year, when in the new year we can come up with a bang. So this is for the January edition of the Beauty and the Best magazine, where we will be taking all of them in the magazine, plus the calendar will be there for a year. So yeah, so this is for the New Year edition.
Yeah, tell me more about the magazines. You mentioned that their pictures and their profile will also be in the magazine. So tell me which magazine, because you are running, you are the co-editor of 4 magazines.
Yes,
So tell me the
yes.
names of the 4 magazines and which magazine this particular thing will be there.
See, I will show you the copy of the Beauty and the Best magazine. I've just asked somebody to pass it on to me. The other magazine I have, just wait. Can I get the copy of the Beauty and the Best magazine? Any copy. And we have
Meanwhile,
the
tell me the
aviation.
names of the 4 magazines that we talked about.
Yeah, this is the Aviation World magazine, which is the India's premier flying magazine, aviation magazine we have. The other one is the Beauty and the Best magazine. This is the magazine I'm talking about, which is the lifestyle magazine. Here we feature all the entrepreneurs from the different walks of life, from the fashion to beauty to cosmetic to interiors, to any like a corporate, all the lifestyle segment, to food to hospitality, to travel, like that. Then we have the kids magazine by the name of Wonder Kids Global, which is for the 3 to 13 years old. That magazine talks about the kids, their photo shoot and stuff. Then we have the Vibrant Colors magazine, which talks about the travel. So we cover all the hotels, all the resorts, travel industry, hospitality industry, food. We talks about that, and the embassy. We feature embassy ambassadors and everyone there in that Vibrant Colors magazine. So I can show you the glimpse of the latest copy of the Beauty and the Best magazine, which is like a December edition, which has just come up, having a Aditi Govitrikar on the cover page. She is a actor turned doctor as well. You can check her on Insta. So
Yes,
here
yes,
it is.
everybody knows her. She's a popular
Yes,
personality. I was
popular
in fact going to
personality.
ask you about her.
Yeah, yes. And she was also been invited at one of our events, which we did right now. So we have another segment of the events as well. As I told you, this is the Wonder Kids Global magazine. This is a kids magazine. Kids magazine is for the 3 to 13 years old. And let me tell you, last year, 2020, we had received a lot of queries from UK, from the kids, and they have contacted us to be featured in the magazine. So we featured them, we did their profile, we featured their pictures, and we wrote about them in the magazine, that what they want to do in their life, where they are based out currently, about their schooling, about their interest and everything. So why I am telling you all this is that, we are actually getting a lot of queries from the UK market at various platforms. So that's how this Indo-British forum came into your mind, it came up in our mind, that why not to give them the opportunity simultaneously, along with the branding, we can give them the opportunity to build up their brand, to build up their business in the Indian market, and same from India to the Asian market in UK. So our all the projects, be it our magazine, be it our calendar, be it our event. You must have seen our latest event a little. I don't know, you're quite a busy personality, but I think
I have seen, and I
I
was going to ask you about it because I've seen the pictures of Aditi as well. So,
yes.
was it a beauty pageant or what is it? Can you tell us a bit
Yeah,
more
it was
about
a
that?
beauty pageant. It was a beauty pageant by the name of Beauty and the Best, Miss, Mrs. and Mr. India, which we do every year. And let me tell you how this is also connected with UK. The winners of Beauty and the Best, Mrs. India, they are participating today. Now the function must have been started there in London, Brit Asia pageant. So the winners from here, they are participating today at the Brit Asia pageant in London, which is going to start by 6 p.m. today BST. So you can understand our style of working. Whatever we do, we have a kind of the connection with the Asian market there in UK, and the vice versa. So it's a big thing for us that our winner is today Dr. Parin Somani. I am soon going to take her on your channel for the interview. She is participating today at the Brit Asia pageant, which is going to
Wow.
start by 6 p.m.
Yeah,
So,
wow, amazing. Amazing.
yeah,
You can see how well connected Pooja is. So don't miss this opportunity to scale your business to the next level. Please contact Pooja or me directly and we will, set everything up and put everything in place for you. Don't miss the
absolutely.
chance to feature in the calendar and the magazine because we are already getting very close to December. So get in your entries now because it does take time. We are going to inaugurate the calendar
Calendar.
2022 in January. So we have to go through the process of publishing it, etc. So get in your
Absolutely.
entries now. Contact me or Pooja about it. And Pooja, before we finish, I have a few more questions. I
Yes.
believe you were, co-editor of a coffee table book, and you
Yes.
inaugurated that book in London. So tell me a little bit more about that.
This is also our annual project by the name of Bharat Ki Lakshmi, inspiring Bharat Ki Lakshmi. And that
I
by the name
love the
of,
name. I love, love,
yes,
love,
thank
love,
you
love the
so
name
much.
Bharat Ki Lakshmi.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we inaugurated in March 2020 at the British Parliament, and MP Shri Virendra Sharma ji was there, and other dignitaries were also there who actually inaugurated our coffee table book. So this year again, this is particularly for the inspiring Bharat Ki Lakshmi. Indian women are the best in the world. Yeah, wherever they are scaling the heights. They are doing wonders in their respective fields. We are saluting them. We are giving them the opportunity. Let me also show you the hard copy of the Bharat Ki Lakshmi inspiring Bharat Ki Lakshmi coffee table book, as you can see. Is it clear?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it.
Yeah, this is the hard copy, and you can see a lot of features. Let me show you the features as well. The big features are there in this. Big photos, big features, and not only from India. As I said, Indian women residing globally. Indian residing globally, from the politicians to the entrepreneurs to the corporate ladies, all of them, all of them. So it's a beautiful concept, and we have actually started taking up the entries from the one of the personalities you can see here. Sehnaz Hussain is also there. Then you have Meera Benji also there. Then Kiran Bedi is also there, and from UK we have Dr. Raj is also there. Rashmi Mishra ji is also there. Many you can see. So, globally connected coffee table book. This is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, and various other places. So, this is also one of the biggest project and the concept by the Prime Communication Media, which is inspiring Bharat Ki Lakshmi, the coffee table book. So, again, next year, 2022 in March, we shall be unveiling there in London itself. Hopefully that, already we are in, few dignitaries there. So events to coffee table book to calendar to magazine, there are various ways. All the motive behind all these projects to act as the bridge between two countries. Right now, since I am on the channel of Reflection by Darshana, so that is why I am focusing more between India and UK. So tomorrow I have a same chat show with one of the channels there in Canada. So I am talking about the global channel, the global platform to scale up your business globally. That is why we are here, showing you a lot of concept. Offline shows, online shows, magazines, coffee table books, calendars, events. It has the meaning attached to it. So that is why the another feather on our cap is the Indo-British Forum.
Very good. I think it's a very brilliant idea, and you're doing so many things. But apart from that, you are a campaigner of Save Plastic and Plastic Free Society. So, how does that fit into your busy schedule? And I also want to ask you, what are you currently doing? I mean, in which parts of industry are you campaigning about this Plastic Free Society?
See, plastic is like we use in our daily routine, right? Since I am from the lifestyle industry, my focus is the lifestyle journalism. So, particularly, I am talking to all the fashion designers, the big fashion houses, to the beauty parlors, to the makeup artists to refrain themselves from using plastic. They use plastic at various from the small platform to the bigger levels. They use plastic cups, they use plastic bottles, they use bowls, plastic bowls in their daily routine, in their professional uses. So I am telling them, don't use plastics. Instead of the plastic, go for something metal. If you're using a bowl for your facial, don't use plastic bowls, use metal bowls. It is also for your skin also, it will give a natural feel, natural shine to it. So I am telling to all my lifestyle industry, lifestyle sector, stop using plastics in your daily routine.
Right. That's an amazing thing you're doing. People use plastic like as if, they are not aware of the environment.
Absolutely.
So apart from all of this that you're doing this as well. So well done and congrats on doing that. Before you go, I have a question. You also are associated with a book called Gandhism Guides Narendra Modi and New India. Tell us a bit more about that book.
Again, that New India, if we talk about the New India, again, that the concept, once I'll certainly going to send you the copy of the the book. Gandhism Guides Narendra Modi and New India talks about the new Indian. New Indian, how they are very much, not very much opinionated. They are very much open to the new ideas. They want to explore their business to the next level. So we are, and that's how our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, is also doing the same thing. He is focusing more on digital platforms. He is giving a lot of opportunities to a lot of Indians to explore their wisdom, to explore their mindset, to explore their mindset globally. Right, so that's how, I am also working on his ideology itself. I'm exploring myself at various places. I have started contacting to various entrepreneurs, corporates, business icons globally. Right, so this is what the Gandhism guides Narendra Modi and New India. Our Honorable Prime Minister says that he has been taught all this, he has read about all this through Gandhi. Now, the new Indians are actually working on the guidance of Narendra Modi. They are trying to explore their business, they are trying to enhance their profile globally. So that's what the book is all about. How you can upscale, how you can reach globally, sitting at one place, no matter what, wherever you are sitting, whether you are there at the small village of India or of any state, you are now digitally very much capable to explore your journey globally. So that's what the New India talks about.
Right. Very, very good. Very good. You are doing amazing, amazing things, and I congratulate you for doing so many
Thank
things.
you so
I
much.
would like to. I would like to also ask you: are you running any NGO or a project? Something that I'm missing
Yes,
out on?
absolutely. No, no. Thank you so much for asking this. And this is really, very much I am in touch with my project, which is by the name of Gulgulia Community. We have the organization by the name of Samaj Samarpan Foundation, and we work for the beggars community of Jharkhand. That beggars community is by the name of Gulgulia Community. Once you will Google Gulgulia community, you will see a lot of work which we have done. We work for the children, we work for the women of that community, for the education, for their livelihood. We try to give them an employment also. We are building up a school for them, which is in the process. Is a half, more than a half, it is ready. This is the second school which we are coming up with. So I would like everyone to associate with us on that project as well, which is very, very, since it's a significant project, the Gulgulia community, for the welfare of the children, for the welfare of the, women of that community. They are, they are large in numbers, but let me tell you, they are not registered right now anywhere in India. This is actually the unfortunate scene. No, everybody knows about Gulgulia community, but if you will ask about their Aadhaar card, if you will ask about any kind of their voter card, any identity in the from the government of India, they don't have anything with them. They don't have anything with them. Now we have started working on that part as well. Few of them have just been registered. They have received their voter ID. They are now liable to give vote to the government. So this is the very largest community. This is the in Jharkhand by the name of Gulgulia community. And we work, they are basically the beggars. We are working with them day and night, empowering them, giving them the employment, giving their kids the better education, better facility, so that they can do something in their future.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Round of applause for this amazing
Thank you so
job that
much.
you're doing. I mean, it's not a job, but it's like your passion. I can see it from your voice. And so that's it from us today. We had a
Thank you.
wonderful conversation, and Preeti shared a lot of things with us. Preeti, before you go, your final words or message, how to associate, etc. Final message before we close this session today.
So thank you so much for inviting me. Really, really thrilled, and I'm to be there on your channel, Reflection by Darshna. And so for all the projects which we have discussed, the calendar, the magazine, the events, the Indo-British Forum, you can actually Google Prime Communication Media. My number is all there. You guys can also get in touch with Darshna ji. She can also pass on my number to you, and my number is all there on the Google. You once you will type Preeti Pooja, you will get to know a lot about me on Google as well. So I'm very, very accessible and easy to reach. You can also
That's
contact me on
really
Insta
well.
as well. Yeah.
Yeah, that's really, really true that despite our time difference, Preeti is in India at the moment. She's going to be coming to London very soon. But despite the time difference, she always replies and she's easily accessible. So, guys, don't feel shy. Go there and have your photo on the calendar, have your
Absolutely.
website there, have your information profile there on the calendar, on the magazine, and various other ways that we discussed how to associate and have a global market to upscale your business. That was Preeti with us from Prime Communication. And thanks for being with me this evening. And have a lovely evening. And Preeti, thanks again for being on my
Thank you
show.
so much.
Lovely, lovely,
Pleasure.
lovely, lovely talking to
Pleasure.
you. And I'm
Pleasure.
sure we are going to connect soon again, and we
Absolutely.
can talk more about your projects, because what you're doing for this community, because they don't even have Aadhaar card, they don't have schools to go to. So we can
Yeah.
discuss that also in one of my shows, because I'm very, very much up for all the social activities in my life as well. So we can connect on that specifically. And many thanks for being with me. And it's bye for now.
Much.
Bye, Pooja.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here, and lovely speaking to you. Take care.
Pleasure. Pleasure. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye bye.